Hi everyone, today I am here with a new topic, that is bond order and formal charts on resonating structure. I had already discussed about resonance and resonance energy, also what are the substituents effect on the resonance. Also I had discussed about the bond order and formal charts. Okay, so what is the bond order? Bond order is the number of bond between the two atoms, and formal charge is the a formal charge is the actual charge of an individual atoms present in a molecule or polyatomic ion. Okay. For various molecule, I have discussed about the bond order, how to calculate, and also formal charge, how to calculate the formal charge. But remember, in resonance or resonating structure, when during the resonance, what happened? The delocalization of the electron occur, and because of this delocalization of the electron, this bond order changes. Bond order changes. Also, the formal charge also changes during the resonance because of this delocalization of the electron. So, today I will discuss here how to calculate the bond order and formal charge of the resonating structure. Okay. So, we'll start with benzene. Benzene have two resonating structure. It seems like this. This is the benzene structure and resonating structure, two resonating structure of the benzene. So we have to calculate the bond order. Let us take C1 and C2. These two carbons, C1 and C2, here C1 and C2. We will calculate the bond order between the C1 and C2. So remember this formula, bond order is equal to total number of bond between two atoms in all resonating structure divided by the bond order is equal to total number of bond between two atoms in all resonating structure divided by total number of resonating structure in a given compound. Okay, so remember this formula to calculate the bond order of the resonating structure. This is the formula, just remember this one. And this is the very useful trick, just remember this one, bond order is equal to this formula. So remember it is also applicable for all the resonating structure. Now we will calculate the bond order between C1 and C2. That is equal to total number of bond between two atoms in all resonating structure. Here this resonating structure C1 and C2 have two bond. Okay. So here 2 plus, in this resonating structure 2, C1 and C2 have one bond. Okay. This is 1 divided by total number of resonating structure. So total number of resonating structure is, this is 1 and this is 2 divided by 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, total is equal to 1.5. So bond order of the C1 and C2 is 1.5, but actually it seems like 2. So because of this resonance, delocalization of the electron, so this bond order decreases. Okay, so this is the value of the bond order, and this is the trick, and it is useful for various entrance exams like IIT JEE, NEET, and also for NET and GATE. Now we will calculate the bond order of the phosphorus and oxygen, between the phosphorus and oxygen in PO4 3 minus. What will be the bond order between phosphorus and oxygen? This oxygen, P phosphorus and oxygen number 4. So as this is a resonating structure, that is this negative charge is delocalized and dispersed over 4 oxygen atom. So as you can see here, PO4 3 minus, it form 4 resonating structure. This negative charge on the oxygen is delocalized over 4 oxygen atom. So because of this delocalization, this resonance effect, it form 4 resonating structure. This is structure number 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is structure number 4. Okay. Now we will calculate the bond order between phosphorus and oxygen. Any oxygen you can pick. So I will take this oxygen number 1, phosphorus and oxygen. Okay, this oxygen number 1, that is equal to, so we have formula right over here, that is total number of bond between two atoms in all resonating structure divided by total number of resonating structure. So total number of bond between two atoms, that is this phosphorus and this oxygen. Here this structure 1 contain 2 bond. Okay, this structure 2 contain 1 bond, plus this structure 3 contain 1 bond, plus this structure 4 contain P with this oxygen contain 1 bond, divided by total resonating structure. Total resonating structure is 4. So divided by 4, that is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5 by 4. That is equal to 1.25. So bond order of the phosphorus and oxygen in PO4 3 minus is 1.25. Okay, so remember this trick. This is the formula to calculate the bond order of the resonating structure. Now we will go for the formal charge of the resonating structure. So I had discussed about how to calculate the formal charge on a molecule, how to calculate the formal charge of each atom on a molecule or polyatomic ion. Now I will discuss about the formal charge on resonating structure. So here I will take the same compound, that is PO4 3 minus. Okay, so first remember the formal charge of the resonating structure is equal to, remember this formula, the formal charge on the resonating structure of each atom, that is equal to total charge on all atom divided by total number of atom. Total atom present or total number of atom. Okay, so now we will calculate the formal charge of the oxygen in PO4 3 minus. First draw the structure of PO4 3 minus, that is like this. Okay, so in oxygen, this oxygen contain formal charge of -1, this oxygen contain formal charge of -1, this oxygen contain formal charge of -1, and this oxygen contain formal charge of 0. So as this is a resonating structure, we had seen that because of this delocalization of the electron or resonance, this bond order changes, and as the bond order changes, formal charge also varies. Okay, so for this structure, how will you calculate the formal charge of the oxygen in PO4 3 minus? So this is the formula, just remember. Okay, now we will calculate formal charge is equal to, so here total charge on all atom, as we are calculating the oxygen atom formal charge, so we will calculate the total charge on oxygen in all the oxygen atom. Okay, so here that is -1, here this oxygen contain -1, here this oxygen contain -1, plus this oxygen contain 0 formal charge, divided by total number of atom present. So oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygen are there, therefore divided by 4. So total is equal to -1 plus -1 plus -1, that is equal to -3 divided by 4. So we will get the value 0.75. So here if it is asked for what is the formal charge on the oxygen in PO4 3 minus, so you have to calculate like this. Okay, if it is not specified that what is the formal charge of this oxygen or what is the formal charge of this oxygen, and it is asked for formal charge of the oxygen in PO4 3 minus, you have to calculate like this, because this is a resonating structure, and in resonating structure this electron is dispersed over 4 oxygen atom. Okay, so as this this negative charge is dispersed over all the oxygen, 4 oxygen atom, therefore formal charge varies. Okay, that is also this, for this structure, this formal charge also known as the average charge of the oxygen. So here this negative sign also put here, that is minus 0.75. so the formal charge of oxygen in PO4 3 minus, that is equal to minus 0.75. Okay, so these are the trick for calculate formal charge and bond order of the resonating structure, and this will helpful for various entrance exam like NEET and IIT, also JAM, and for NET also. So remember this trick, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Please comment on the comment box if you want more topic like this needed, and whatever I will discuss, I will tell about the trick and how to solve within the few seconds. Okay, so thank you for watching.